Hey, what's going on, everyone? My name is Chris. I'm here with Kathy. We go by Ginger Marvin on Instagram and YouTube, and we have another video for you today. It is Friday. I just got done filing our taxes just before the deadline. I know that the deadline's on the 18th or whatever, but I didn't want to push it that far. I'm a procrastinator, but I'm not that big of a procrastinator. You know, I give it a day or two. Anyway, we have some sales we're going to pull today. I'm going to turn it over to Kathy so we can see what's sold.
Yeah, I did quickly want to thank some people who bought us some coffees. This one, just says Dog Girl 777. I know you messaged me on, you commented on Instagram about our live last night. So,
okay.
But I don't know your real name. Anyways, yeah, she said, love watching y'all with my rescue dog, Charlotte. Please give Reese a tummy rub for us. Reese.
Okay.
I'm coming over here because the next
tummy rub
comment
time.
is about Reese too.
He's always ready for tummy rubs.
I love you. And then Bonnie. So these next two, I think, were in our live video last night. So we do lives every Thursday night at 8
p.m. Mountain Time.
Anyways. Yep. So Bonnie sent 3 and said, thank you for all the reselling tips you give. Really enjoy your channel. Reese is my favorite. Reese.
Bonnie, thank you so much for that support. You're the star of the show right now.
Yeah. And then I also wanted to thank Tio, who bought us a coffee. So you guys.
Tio, guys, everybody, thank you so much for all that coffee and that support. We appreciate it very much.
And then also during the live, people just kept buying stuff from us that were in the chat. So I'm going to pull those sales first and thank all of them. And then we have several other sales that came in as well. So starting in box BA today. Well, this one I actually am not positive of the view, but I feel like it is. It came in during the live when kind of like they were all coming in back to back, which made me feel like it was, but also
we didn't see anybody specifically say it.
Chat, so it could just be random. So if you're a viewer, Teresa, thank you so much. She bought this Hatley kids swimsuit for $25. That was my list price on Posh, and I had $5 into it. So that is awesome. Grab a little box, foldy box for that. And then Kendra, box N. Where are you at? She bought some Frozen socks, I believe for her daughter.
Awesome.
Or maybe for herself. These would probably fit an adult as well. I actually picked these up retail arbitrage for $1, and Kendra bought them for $12.95 free ship. And yeah, it cost me I think around $350 to $380 to ship out. So
awesome.
Thank you so much, Kendra.
Kendra, thank you so much for that support. We appreciate it. I think I might have forgot to... Teresa, if you are a viewer, thank you so much. I don't think I said... I think I was zoned out. I think I zoned out for a sec. I don't know what happened there.
All right.
But I think my brain is fried from doing taxes. So.
Good thing it's the weekend after.
Yeah.
All right, and then we had Zach, who bought a 3-item bundle. So starting in box T, which there it is right in the
behind
middle.
me. T behind me.
And then BW over here. I don't like this little table in the middle with that there, but I hate that table there because
it blocks the stairs, yeah.
But I like more open space in the middle there.
Yeah.
Some slippers. And DR. Oh, that's in the closet.
In the closet, yeah.
Set
them down.
Oh my gosh.
She threw the box at me.
How I do things. Okay, what am I looking at? A pair of Asics. Okay. Okay. Alright, so Zach bought these 3 items for $119.85 plus shipping. I had about $22 total into the 3. So they have Asics sneakers, Mizuno Nuitag jacket. It's like a nice track jacket, and then a pair of men's wool lined slippers. So
comfy slippers.
Yeah, and those most likely I'm gonna ship in a not a large flat rate.
A box O.
Yeah,
we might need to grab one from the closet.
I brought one up, but yeah, I don't put it in there yet. So
Zach, thank you so much for that amazing support. We appreciate it. All the continued support.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Yes. All right, so AM. This one's going out to Melanie. Some black Skechers. Pair of Skechers, and Melanie lives all the way in Canada.
Yep.
So yeah, she paid $29.95 plus shipping, and then also global shipping, which I didn't check into the full amount. But Melanie paid quite a bit to get these, just to support us. So thank you so much, Melanie. I had about $4.54 into those.
Awesome, Melanie. Thank you so much for that support. Yeah. We appreciate it.
She's always talking about her tiny home, and I'm like a little jealous. Like I think I could live in a tiny home, but it'd be hard to give up like kids' clothes and stuff. Like
that's what would be hard to give up, the kids' clothes.
Yeah.
Not the distance away from me, right? Like being
the whole idea of a tiny home actually sounds kind of nice some days.
Yeah. Oh yeah, being disconnected from everybody sounds great sometimes, right?
So this one is also going out to our viewer Deidre. She bought these during the live. $34.95 plus ship, a pair of Merrills, and I had $7.99 into those.
Awesome, Deirdre. Thank you so much for that support. And was that the last viewer so far?
That was the last viewer sale that I know of.
You guys were all in our live show last night. We appreciate all the support there, hanging out.
If you don't know, eBay makes kind of like a cha-ching sound.
Yeah.
If you have your noise on, which I did, so it was just really, it was exciting.
Yeah, you guys definitely made our night, made our week. We appreciate it.
All right. Box F. Actually, just listed these yesterday, I think, maybe the day before. Yeah, yesterday. Pair of Birkenstock flip-flops. I did pay $8.99 for these just because I know these sell super fast. Even if I doubled my money, I'd be very happy. They actually sold, though, for $29.95 plus shipping, so more than doubling my money and sold in a day. That's great. And those, honestly, are new on the Birkenstock website for like $40. And this person probably paid close to $40 with tax and everything. So, yeah, I always look for a Birkenstock.
Yeah.
Anything, pretty much. This was a really good sale. This is a pair of Echo men's like sandals, kind of like a Keen. Honestly, I feel like these are way better quality than Keens. And they sold for a good amount, $59.95 plus shipping. I had $11.89 into those, so really good sale.
Awesome.
Gonna ship those in a shoebox. Shoebox. All right, AS. This is a Nike sports bra going out to Tommy Bernard. No, just kidding. Just kidding.
Oh, this happened during the live, right?
It happened during the live, so I don't think it was a viewer.
Yeah, so. we were busting Tommy's chops.
Well, because the name of the person that bought it is Thomas, and then so it was just it was a funny joke during the live.
Yeah.
So. Anyways, sold for $19.95 plus shipping. I had $3 into it, so really good sale. I think that's really good. I know it's not a huge sale, but 3 into 20. I think that's pretty good.
Yeah.
All right, box Q. Shout out little Miss Q.
The little Miss Q box. Ah.
All right. It would be fun to rename the boxes, but it'd be hard to figure out
memorize.
Where they all are. A pair of Chaco's men's flip-flops sold for $45 plus shipping. I had $7.99 into those. Those will go in a padded flat rate. All right, box I. A pair of Nike Pro men's leggings sold for $24 plus shipping. I only had $2 into those. $2 into those.
Babe, the people have spoken. They don't care that you say bucks.
I'm here for my own self.
Right. I think there were some viewers that thought it was I had a problem with you saying bucks.
No, it's my own problem with my own self.
They were like, let her say bucks. I'm like, she could say whatever she wants. I'm not here to tell her what she could say.
Yeah. I sold these Adidas Powerlift, so these are like a weightlifting shoe. I took a fairly low offer, although I thought these were going to sell for a lot more when I bought them. And when I looked up comps, I still think I could have got more, but probably only maybe $10 more. I accepted $30 because it was on Posh. They're paying shipping, and I've had a bunch of random questions on those on eBay, so I'm just like wanting to sell them so I can stop getting people asking questions about them. So I did pay $12.99 for them though, so only about a $10 profit there. But yeah, they're going to a new home. And people hopefully will not be messaging me about them anymore. Just do a shoebox on those. All right, box O.
The Reese guy, the Reese Bears.
Where are you at? This is a Childhood's Kids beanie. This just came free with purchase when I bought something for my kids, but we don't really do the beanies, so just listed this as new without tag because they don't actually come with tags anyways. And someone offered $11, so I accepted. It's all profit to me. Posh does take a $2.95 fee, anything under $15, so I'm making like $8 something off of that.
Let's see, foldy box. Because I like these ones. Is that what you were gonna pick?
I didn't even think about it, but yes, that's what I would have picked if I did think about it. All right, box of DF. Mini Melissa's. Here we go. These actually sold last week on Mercari, and then someone offered an amount. I accepted it, and then like an hour later, they canceled it. So that annoyed me a little bit, but you get I wasn't gonna send it and then just like get a bad review or like, get a return or something. So, anyways, relisted, and then they sold again on Mercari for an offer of $25, which I think was a few dollars less, but that's okay.
Okay.
I had $6 into these from not Once Upon a Child. It was in Utah, Kid to Kid, I think.
Okay. Oh yeah, yeah.
Once Upon a Child, at least in Salt Lake area. I really wanted to go to one, but there wasn't. Those I actually might put in I'm just going to find a little box in the closet because, yeah. All right, lastly, this might be a viewer sale. If it is, Sarah, thank you. Someone offered $45. I accepted, and then they just wrote, thank you, exclamation. So, I don't know. I feel like when people are nice and say thank you, that maybe they, I don't know, watched our channel or something, but I'm not sure. They didn't say, we're a viewer or anything. So, $45. I did pay $14.99 for these. They're a pair of Sanita clogs. They were just in really good shape and like a animal print pattern I knew would do well. So, and yeah,
sweet.
I'll put those probably in an eBay box, even though it's sold on Mercari. Just because that's what we got.
A brown box, yeah.
Yeah.
So we'll get that out of the closet. But yeah, that's what has sold so far. It's about 3 o'clock, 10 till 3. So I don't think.
Someone just bought us a coffee.
Yeah.
You just say.
Sure.
And it actually just says someone, so I don't know your name, but they said, love your channel. Just implemented your inventory system. You guys are so down to earth. Thank you.
Awesome. Someone.
Yeah, let us know in the comments if you see that. So thank you so much.
Thank you so much for that coffee. We appreciate that. If you guys don't know what Buy Me a Coffee is, it's just a way to help support your content creators by buying them a coffee. Now, that doesn't necessarily mean that we're buying a coffee every time somebody buys us a coffee. That just goes towards helping support the channel, whether or not it's buying new equipment or buying a coffee. We do buy coffees here and there. And if you did want to help support the channel that way, there is a link down in the description to buy us a coffee. Guys, we're going to get this stuff packed up, and I think we'll check back in a little bit later. Maybe another sale will come in because we are a little bit earlier than usual. So we'll check back in after we get the stuff packed up. Look at that cute guy snuggling his Reese bear. Got everything packed up, stacked nicely, ready to go.
Yeah.
Zach, we're sending you your bundle in our humidifier box. Hopefully that's okay.
Yeah, it didn't. His slippers didn't quite fit in the 13 by 13.
Yeah, the slippers were large.
14, so.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's what's going out today. I don't think we really have much else to say today. We do have to go get the.
We still have a creaky floor.
Still got a creaky floor.
We still have a mess over here. Listed a few items, not many. Yeah, this week I gotta get on track next week. So yeah, I've only really listed. Oh, I thought that was snoring. What is this? 15 plus 12, 28. Is that right? You know I can't math good in my head
17,
when you're recording.
27.
15 plus 12, that's all I said.
That's 27.
Oh.
No, 37.
Yeah, 27.
27.
Plus 8, so 35. Yeah. I did take some photos today, so hopefully I can list at least some more, but yeah. not a great week for us. Last week,
Listing-wise.
I think I was just 8 under. So, what I want to
But
do.
a lot of the stressful stuff that has been going on this week,
Mainly taxes.
mainly taxes.
We're done. We're good. We're in a good place all over again.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
So yeah, that's going to do it for today's What Sold video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for all the amazing support. We do greatly appreciate all of that, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye.